Greeting to you. Today I present to introduce myself. I'm now the twin, and the topic that I present now is based on the human development. Let's start from the slide 2 content. Slide 2 is a content of human development. The first thing I will explain of human development, second theories of human development, third human development in my socio-cultural context as my home country, US. Fourth, human perspective, the last, the bibliography. Slide 3 is a definition in human development. Human development is the process of growth and development that takes place from birth to adulthood, including physical, mental, and emotional development. This approach aims to improve people's lives by giving them great opportunities and choice. It attempts to build an environment in which individuals are able to grow and reach their highest potential. This field of psychology tells us how people develop and change throughout their lives. Slide 4 is the theory of human development. Two theories I choose from the internet. First one, the Jane Piaget. Jane Piaget is a constructivist hypothesis that kids learn actively by experiencing and interacting with the world. Their thinking develops in four stages: the sensorimotor, the preparational, the concrete operational, and formal operational. The children build mental structures or schemas and define them by adding the new knowledge or amending previous ideas. Piaget demanded that kids learn best by discovering things themselves and not just hearing lectures. His ideas have influenced instructional methods that focus on hands-on experiential learning. The second theory, John Bowie. John Bowie attachment theory is centered on the requirement of emotional connections between children and caregivers for their development and survival. He assumed that attachment behaviors are important and essential for emotional, social, and mental development. The theory describes different patterns of attachment, the caregiver's role, and how area relationships influence future behavior. Secure attachments are advantageous to emotional well-being, whereas insecure attachments result in relationships and emotional problems. Let's move on. Slide 6. The human development social culture. I believe that today's generation is focused on development, their behaviors, and learning from the guidance of older leaders. A key starting point is teaching children from birth to 8 years old. Here are some ways to nurture early childhood development. First, speak to the baby using both your native language and English. Second, spend time talking to your child until they are able to speak and answer questions. Then, once they reach primary school age, teach them to read in both their native language and English. Finally, after the After they begin reading, provide them with books that include simple words and pictures to support their learning. Once they are comfortable with reading, give them more advanced books that help expand their vocabulary. This method is, I strongly believe in, as I think it is a tool for helping children improve their knowledge and become smart. Let's see slide 7, human perspective. What I noticed was that James Beckett and John Bowie's series shared the same ideas about early childhood development. They both studied how children develop and grow up. I agree with their ideas because they focus on how children learn through their own experience. Like making mistakes, I think this is important because learning through mistake makes children grow. And also I believe it very much needed in my country. By the time students get the university, it requires them to be skillful in speaking and understanding English. So I encourage my relatives to make their kids skillful in their skills as it will help them in the future. Slide 8. There are references that can you believe to link one by one, then you can see one of it. Thank you.